If you're having trouble logging into ChatGPT, don't worry, you're not alone. And in this video, I'll walk you through the quickest ways to fix it step by step. We're going to start with the most important checks first, so you don't waste time changing settings that may not even be the real problem. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more helpful tech guides just like this. First, open your browser and visit status.openai.com. This is the official OpenAI status page, and it's the fastest way to find out whether ChatGPT is having a service outage. Once the page loads, look for ChatGPT and check whether it says operational. If you see a red or orange warning, that usually means there is a temporary issue on OpenAI's side, and the best solution may simply be to wait until the service is back to normal. If everything looks operational, then the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. In Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, click the three dots or menu lines in the top right corner of your browser, then go into Settings. From there, open Privacy and Security and select Clear Browsing Data. This can remove old sign-in data, broken session files, or corrupted cookies that may be preventing ChatGPT from logging in correctly. After clearing your browsing data, close the browser completely and reopen it, then try signing in again. If that still doesn't solve the issue, the next thing to try is turning off your VPN. OpenAI sometimes blocks VPN traffic because some VPN IP addresses are associated with unusual or automated activity, which can stop the login page from working properly. Disable your VPN completely, refresh the page, and then attempt to sign in again without it. In many cases, one of these three fixes will get you back into your account right away. If the status page shows no outage, your browser data is clean, and the VPN is off, but you still can't log in, then it may help to try a different browser or device to rule out a local browser issue. You can also make sure your internet connection is stable and that you are using the correct ChatGPT sign-in method for your account. Sometimes the problem is as simple as a saved password error or a browser extension interfering with the login page, so if needed, test again in an incognito window or temporarily disable extensions like ad blockers, privacy tools, or script blockers. The goal is to isolate the issue one step at a time until ChatGPT accepts your login normally. Once you're back in, you can re-enable anything you turned off and continue using the service as usual. I hope this guide helped you fix your ChatGPT login issue quickly and safely. If it did, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more ChatGPT troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.